This portable coffee maker makes great coffee. Built-in non-stick insulation board can keep coffee warm for 35 minutes automatically, which has consistent great flavor from the first to last drop. A reusable filter can reduce waste. It made it easier to store after cleaning. Stainless steel decor provides a great addition to complement your modern kitchen and office. Compact small coffee maker takes up less counter space. High quality with UL certificated and manufacturer 2-year warranty included. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 4-cup coffee maker. Space-saving 4-cup coffee machine with visible 600 ml large capacity tank, perfect for home and office use. Attention! A cup equals approximately 5 ounces. Number 2. Keep warm. Built-in non-stick insulation board can keep coffee warm automatically until you turn off it. Keep coffee warm, fresh, and flavorful with a warming plate. Number 3. Anti-drip design. This allows for pouring a cup at any time during the brew cycle and ensures no more messy spills on your counter within 30 seconds. You can take off the glass pot at any time and enjoy coffee without worrying about coffee dripping. Number 4. Reusable coffee filter. The coffee maker comes with an easy-to-remove filter basket and a reusable filter. A removable brew filter basket can be cleaned in the dishwasher. No need to spend money on disposable paper filters. Number 5. Explosion-proof glass carafe. The sturdy 4-cup carafe has measurement markings for accurate filling and an easy grip handle for comfortable pouring. Number 6. Power on-off indicator lights. Switch with visible indicator light makes it easy to use and offers high visibility. Just press the on-off button to brew. Enjoy flavorful coffee in minutes. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.